Hello, my name's Nathan, and this is my user adaptive intelligence system, ExamFlow. Let's start by meeting Joe. He's a final year student under exam pressure. He's juggling dissertation edits, maths exams, and part-time shifts. Static revision plans have failed him before when seminars overrun or his focus dips. The plan collapses and his stress rises. ExamFlow is designed for students like Joe, offering adaptive revision support that lightens the planning burden and protects well-being. At sign up, Joe sees what data ExamFlow may use: an email for accounting exports, an optional calendar link, topic weightings, and optional on-device focus telemetry. This is explicit transparency. The system lists each data type, its purpose, and reminds Joe when he can withdraw consent. In setup, he imports his timetable, then he can see the knowledge layer with topics, confidence ratings, exam weightings, and optional prerequisite topics. Furthermore, he can also add preferred session lengths. This background data solves the cold start problem, fulfills the requirement to import availability and capture per topic confidence while keeping input effort low. The privacy summary states that behavioral signals are optional, stay on device, and are only user personalization. On the Plan tab, ExamFlow recommends geometry circles at 11 AM because confidence is low and exam weight high. Focus and adherence scores below show that suggestions both explicit and implicit behavior signals. Joe starts the session for geometry. After 12 minutes, when his tutor calls, he ends early. The system registers dropout and suggests a meaningful behavioural event. Next time he checks the plan, the geometry has been scheduled into two 20-minute blocks at 4:30, an evening window with higher focus and adherence. A concise why this explanation cites low confidence, high exam weight, and stronger evening focus. Joe can accept or keep the original slot. This is mixed initiative personalisation, where the system adapts but autonomy is preserved. Later, Joe studies algebra at 2 PM. The session runs to completion, and he taps End Session. A quick rating prompt appears. How productive was this session? The explicit feedback keeps the behavioural model updated without adding heavy interaction. Joe rates the session 2 stars. ExamFlow blends its rating with past focus data and concludes that afternoon isn't a good window for it. It moves the algebra block back to tomorrow morning at 9:30, where his focus score is highest. This explanation makes its observe, rate, adapt, reschedule loop visible and demonstrates the requirement to adjust plans when behavior changes. In the Explain view, ExamFlow shows its hybrid reasoning. The knowledge layer ranks topics by exam weighting, confidence, and recency. The behavior layer scores time windows using focus, on-device focus, and adherence. A weighted blend of both layers generates recommendations that are academically meaningful and time-aware, with each card offering a why this trail for processing clarity. Joe then reviews the weekly preview. Sessions respect his imported timetable, preferred session length, and quiet mode of focus windows. Wellbeing micro breaks are woven in automatically. Joe edits confidence or exam weights. The plan updates immediately, reinforcing that his inputs still shape the schedule. Finally, the Trust tab presents a clear data map, calendar for free windows, explicit topic inputs, and optional implicit session behavior. It reiterates that all raw signals stay on device with controls to pause telemetry, export data, or delete everything. This covers the transparency checklist: purpose, inputs, processing, labeled outputs, and strong user control. Overall, ExamFlow demonstrates a calm, explanation-centered revision assistant that uses a hybrid knowledge and behavior model, explicit and implicit signals, and robust privacy controls to keep Joe's signal and his study journey under his control.